If your business is this, or this, or this, then you need this. MedCompass is a mobile medical provider headquartered in Minneapolis. They've been operating since 1985.
What we do is we send technicians who are able to go out and perform OSHA-required, OSHA-mandated hearing tests. Could also be OSHA-mandated pulmonary function. So anything that you might normally find at a clinic, you'd be able to find through MedCompass.
So anytime you're ready, breath in and hold it, please.
And that includes in-depth hazmat physicals.
Keeping your chin up, and anytime you're ready.
Industries, municipalities, and particularly fire departments are all mandated by OSHA. And with OSHA, there's a specific amount of time that they are required to be in compliance.
MedCompass is literally a clinic on wheels. It has the largest fleet in the upper Midwest of 7 available trucks and trailers. Trained medical field managers will travel right to your company's door to perform these required tests and exams. Your employees never leave the job site, saving you money and productivity.
So we're kind of a one-stop shop. We're able to come in there with our hearing testing, with our pulmonary function testing, hazmat physicals, if that's what you need. We're able to do all of those things, compile all your information, perform all the testing, hand it back to you, and tell you exactly where it goes on the OSHA 300 log, and off you go, and you have no worries.
MedCompass is fast, cost-effective compared to a clinic or hospital, and they'll work with you regardless of whether you employ as few as 3 workers or as many as 3,000.
Since we're a regional provider and not a national provider, we're able to be much more flexible. We're able to do our scheduling for our clients much more easily. We can really meet exactly what their needs are going to be. And since we don't have many mortars, bricks, and clinics, with our overhead is much reduced, which passes on the savings to our clients.
With MedCompass, you're getting doctors and field technicians with top-notch education and training.
All of our technicians have been to KAOC certified courses. Dr. Mark Chappell, who is our audiologist, is actually one of the state's teachers for that course. Dr. Anthony Smith typically reviews all of our hazmat physicals or pulmonary function testing that goes on.
OSHA requires pulmonary function tests on employees who wear any type of mask on the job. This is another component of the full-service MedCompass provides for its clients. It's called medical respiratory clearance.
Which simply means that if an employee is going to wear a respirator, then they have to be medically qualified first.
Your employees complete a medical questionnaire. The MedCompass physician reviews them and then decides whether each person is physically healthy enough to wear a respirator.
There are several types of respirators. Some may be a simple N95 filtering face piece. Some are going to be canister-style half masks, much like also then the fire departments use what's considered a full face and called an SCBA. All of these things, per the OSHA regulations, now must be fit tested annually.
All right, Dave, if you'd go ahead and put that mask on, make sure the hair is pulled out from up at the top, and then snug the straps. Comfortable but tight there.
The fit test ensures that the employee wearing the respirator is protected.
The employee would put the mask on, and then we would put a hood over the head, and we would administer some sort of aerosol into the hood to see if they can smell it. If they can smell it, then we simply know that the respirator is not working.
Because of its proven reputation, even hospitals will rely on MedCompass for fit tests. While its home is in Minneapolis, MedCompass sends its 7 trucks and trailers all over the upper Midwest and beyond. MedCompass is also proud of its wellness program. This is how they help employees reduce the amount of lifestyle risk.
MedCompass partners with a firm by the name of Wellvation. Wellvation employs the Mayo Clinic developed programs for wellness. What MedCompass does, however, is we are doing the biometric screening arm. So it simply means that we'll be there to do blood draws, finger sticks, blood pressures, things like that. Then what will happen is Wellvation will go ahead and employ the rest of the coaching, telephony, if they would call some of the employees and let them know exactly what needs to be done, how they can monitor their own lifestyles, and things like that.
For your OSHA compliance needs, MedCompass offers the complete package for hearing testing, respirator clearance, hazmat exams, and wellness. And they've done it since 1985.
It's the customer service, it's the experience that we know exactly what we're doing, we've done it for years.